that fucking truck.
Alright guys, welcome back to the Ozone. We got a triple shoe unboxing to do today. These are all the same shoe, just in 3 separate colorways. So we're going to take a look at the tags, then we'll move on. If it wants to focus, there we go. On to the next one. And the final one. We'll look at each box before we unbox the shoe too, just to make sure that we're getting everybody good footage. So let's get started. Alright guys, we're back. The first shoe is the Jordan Mars 720 Black Reflect Silver Gem Red, aka the Jordan Mars 720 Top 3. Guys, a little side sneaker view. Both these sneakers are different. You can see in the toe box. Let's spin this first shoe first. You guys get full view of first shoe. I'll put this one back. And now I'm going to try to spin the second shoe. Get you guys some good views. Again, these are the Jordan Mars 720 top 3s. I go through most of my Jordan 720 and 270 today. So this is the Jordan Mars 270. I apologize if I said 720. Going through the 720 and the 270 collection, so stay tuned. This is going to be 3 pairs of 270s, all the same shoe, different colorways. This is a very good shoe. I give you one shoe at a time spin. Jordan Mars 270 top 3s. Alright, on to the next shoe. Alright, next up is the Jordan Mars 270 Rare Red 23 Reflective Silver, aka the St. Pierre's, or the Paris Edition. It's a pretty good shoe. I'm going to spin one so you get the extra pair of laces. Get the Paris Saint-Germain logo on the back. It's another clean 270. The St. Pierre's or Paris 720s. Clean shoe, guys. Not much to show on this one like the last one. But that's basically the shoe in a nutshell. Very good addition to the collection. Very, very good shoe. One of my favorite Jordan 270s. I have to find my other pair. I think one was Paris. I think one was London, but I have both. I have to find the other pair. I just got to go through looking as I go through the rest of the 270 collection. All right, let's get on to the next one. All right, third pair is the Jordan Mars 270 white, black, and university red. This is another stock X pair. I don't know if you guys could see this on this toe box. It's kind of shiny, but StockX let this get through. It looked like it's a little nick here, but I could fix that myself, so I'm not going to nitpick. But if you didn't have a sneaker shop that could fix shoes, you might be in trouble. Like I said, if you see it right here, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's a little nick. I like all my shoes to be perfect, but StockX apparently doesn't care. It's going to be some shoe side action. It's not that it's bad for the shoe or ruins the shoe, but if you pay for a brand new shoe, everything on the shoe should be actually dead stock. Gotta get some back. This is still, this is maybe my second favorite 270 colorway for Jordan Mars. Alright guys, that basically does it. I'm going to put the number to all of these down in the comment section. Alright, we cut off. I don't know why. But we're going to keep on going, guys. Like I said, remember, comment, like, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Everybody fucking jump!